Let's take a look at this Intex Cloud Effects Firefox OS phone. This is a Firefox OS phone. It's a low budget phone that Firefox OS launched in India. It costs 2,700 rupees or around $45 for this phone. It has a 3.5-inch capacitive touch, 1 GHz processor, 2 megapixel camera, Wi-Fi, Edge and Bluetooth. It has a Firefox browser as a native browser, Marketplace, Facebook and some apps. You get all the basic stuff like a pair of headphones and a charger with this phone. This is how the phone looks. Those are the speakers. Again, the main attraction of the phone is that it runs Firefox OS. That's the 2 megapixel camera. This is where you charge it, phone jack and a power button. It's a dual SIM phone and also supports a micro SD card. Let's turn on the device. That's the loading screen for the Firefox OS. You get this lock screen from where you can unlock or go for the camera. Let's unlock it. If you are in any app, when you press this, it will bring you to the main screen. It has a notification bar on the top which you can drag down. Again, you can see it uses 2 SIMs. Main attraction of this phone is that Firefox OS is entirely made out of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you can make web apps, they will work on the Firefox OS phone. You can see the interfaces. Again, quite simple. That's the Contacts app. This is how the Firefox browser looks. Internet works fine, even though it's a little jittery. You can have multiple tabs. This is the YouTube app. All of them are just web apps, so it's easy for companies to make them, and they work quite well. It also has some games. Let's try this one. If you long press the home button, you get a task switcher. Then you can use this to close apps too. And you can get more apps by going to the marketplace. Most of the apps are quite small in size because they are web apps. It even has a camera. which which is a 2 megapixel camera. A phone like this few years back could have taken the market by storm, but at the moment you can buy cheaper phones from Android which have better performance at the same price. So this Firefox phone will have a tough time convincing people to buy it. It's an interesting idea to make a phone OS with HTML, CSS and Java and allow web apps to run on it. But I think it's too late to the market, and some of the native apps on Android and iOS are now so good that this will find it hard to compete against them. Still interesting idea. Check it out.